This is not a get-rich-quick scheme ad. This is not an ad where you're going to be an employee and we're going to pay you what your time is worth. That is called a job, which means just over broke. This is an ad to help you, the entrepreneurs out there, to go out and live life on your own terms. Not letting somebody else control your bank account, not letting someone else control your time and your freedom. This is for those of you that really want to go out there and make a difference and impact people around the world, one glass of water at a time. Now, why I say one glass of water at a time is think about water. Think about how many people drink water. Most people don't realize that water is one thing we can't live without, and most water is poisoning people because of all the toxins in the water. My name is Bobbett, and I've been in the health and wellness industry for almost 12 years, building teams around the world, helping people with their health. And we do that through a very unique water called hydrogen water. We have a lot of different products. We have drinking water, we have hydrogen inhalation, we even have a hydrogen spa where you sit in and it steams your body with hydrogen. So why I'm telling you all this is that we're looking for people like you that are driven, that want to go out there and make a lot of money helping a lot of people, who want to come into our training system and get coached and mentored by people like myself and other people that you're going to love to connect with that have been on the industry for years, making a lot of people healthy and happy and also very financially independent. So if it sounds like something that you're interested in and you want to go out there and really change the world, then connect with us. We can meet in a Zoom call. We'll go over all the details on what it takes to be an affiliate of ours and all the training that we've laid out step by step by step for you. So click the link below, book a call with us, and you'll be so happy and grateful that you did, and we look forward to meeting you soon.